Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If my computer goes off behind me, that's okay, it's gonna fall asleep. Today we are gonna be doing a unboxing. So let me show you right here. And today is the first day of fall. Oh my gosh, it's finally fall. Like, no better time to film this than today. Fall. And just in time for fall subscription of FabFitFun. So that's what I have for you guys today. And as you notice, as you can tell, I'm missing a box, and that would be BoxyCharm. That is because I've decided just to be done with it altogether. No more base box and no more premium. I'm gonna wait until after October to subscribe to the full-size products of Ipsy. So just because I have a bunch of other subscriptions that I want to do for Spooky Sunday. But first and foremost, I actually want to open a new hydro sleeve with you guys. This is a hydro sleeve for my HydroJug. And I just ordered this. I don't know why that took me so long, but it did. Of course, it comes with instructions, and then of course it comes with the straps. But these are just plain black straps with a white logo. This is the newest sleeve. It's the Galaxy sleeve. Oh my gosh, I used to be obsessed with Galaxy, but I feel like this right now is so fitting. Here is the Galaxy Hydro sleeve. Oh my god, it's new, so it's, of course, it's like bending weird. There you go. I freaking love it. And of course, you know, nothing has really changed with this sleeve. It still has the mesh pocket and then the you know, the sleeve pocket. So definitely love this. This is not a sponsored video at all. I am an ambassador, and so, you know, if you are interested in hydro sleeve and you've never bought one before, I would highly suggest it. Because of some recent changes, we don't have codes anymore, but I will still put my link down below in the description section. So now let's move on to our unboxing. First, we are going to start out with Ipsy. I actually bought some add-ons, and the one thing I like about Ipsy versus BoxyCharm is that when I order my, like, you know, my September makeup bag for this month, they send my add-on with, you know, the package as well. Because I know with BoxyCharm, they always, like, sent things separately, and you waited forever and ever and ever. I'm going to go through my add-ons first for Solid Trio for $20, and here they are. Compared to the full-size bottle, which I will show you right now, this is the difference. Not really a huge difference, but I mean, it's sample size, you know what I mean? But at the same time, I barely use any of this, so I would prefer this over this, and plus all three of these were only $20 versus this. I didn't pay for this. This actually came in a BoxyCharm, so I can only imagine what they would send me if I'd, you know, done full size with Ipsy. But I have the Rose Gold Elixir, which is the white bottle, Unicorn Essence, and then this is the one that I actually already have, I believe. This is the Liquid Glass in the silver one. So now here is my September bag. It's like that really soft corduroy. It's like a corduroy, like velvet kind of bag. So, okay, so first product is this really bronze looking eyeshadow. Wow, I don't know why it's so bright. There we go. And this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. It's like really shimmery, kind of bronze. And then I have this Pore Professional by Benefit Hydrate Primer. I think I have the full size one. I think so, but this is so cute. It's so tiny. I love this trial size. At least I can figure out if I like it or not and then just buy the full size. I have this highlighter by Ibby Beauty. This is what the compact looks like, and then that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch this. Ooh. Ooh, I really like that. That's pretty. Last product in my bag is this Matte Blush Bronzer Duo from Pacifica. This is the product that I picked out of everything else, so I definitely really like this. And then it also comes with a mirror on the back. I've actually used the mirror so much for like doing my eyebrows or just really looking at my lips all the way, like, which yeah, that's pretty much it in my Ipsy bag. I mean, honestly, you can do a full face with the products that they give you every month, so can't hate that. I really like Ipsy. It's mostly makeup and then you get a little bit of skincare, but every month you get to pick one product out of your box. Can't beat that. Whereas, like, it's really easy to keep up with. It's not like BoxyCharm where, you know, first come, first serve or anything like that. You'll actually know when you get these emails. They don't give you like a specific date or anything like that. It's really easy to keep up with. I feel like BoxyCharm was just a hassle, and it was just like pulling out your hair trying to keep up with these updates and Instagram notifications. It was just like, now for the best part of this unboxing is my FabFitFun box. This is the season of fall box, and I'm excited. I'm pretty excited. So let's open that up. So first off the bat, I have this personalized wine matched to my taste, like $45 credit card, which I will definitely use. Love wine. And then I also have this, pass this on to a friend. I haven't tried this yet, but it's actually like, you know, you can give somebody a box for free. And this one is actually $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So I can give this to somebody, which, you know, if you really are considering FabFitFun, let me know. It's a seasonal box. You get 4 boxes a year. It's totally worth it. And you actually get to pick like 2 or 3 things in your box without upgrading your membership. Definitely very worth it. And you get different things. You get things for like hobbies, home, lifestyle, beauty, like jewelry, whatever you name it. And it's very worth it. Very, very worth it. I also have this $80 off, including free shipping on your first box from HelloFresh, which is also America's #1 meal kit. I still have my other one from my last box, so I really need to try that. I really, really need to try that. Because sometimes we don't always cook at home because we're just so busy people, you know, we just can't help it. Of course, you got your magazine, the FabFitFun magazine. The first product is this Glossmetics hair removal device. Ooh. This is cool. Let's see. It includes 1 hair removal device, batteries, cleaning brush, and instructional manual. I don't know why I said menu. Manual. This device will instantly and painlessly sweep across unwanted hair from areas of your body. It's discreet and portable, designed to allow you to carry it anywhere. I really gotta try this out. I'm gonna test it out probably in an Instagram story. Next, I have this. Oh, this is one of the products that I actually chose. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter. This is my first product from Anastasia ever. I don't think I've ever ordered anything else. And this is in the shade Peach Fizz. So that's what color it looks like. That's really pretty. Love this cap. It's like pink and glittery. Okay, and it's got a protective seal in it, so I'm not gonna open that up just yet. And then after that, I have this, what is this interesting? Juice Cleanse. How does it, I can't read it. Okay, it says Harper Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cube. Secure Exfoliant Juice Cleanse. I really thought I was gonna eat this because it looked like vitamins or something like that. I've seen vitamins that look like this. It's like giant sugary cubes. So I thought they were edible. Let's see what it says. Directions. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. I like that. Definitely like it. I wonder what it smells like. Oh my god. It smells like Sour Patch meets melon, like melon dew. That's exactly what it smells like. It smells like candy. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells delicious. I don't want to rub it on my body. I want to rub it in my mouth. No pun intended. This is called Mason Top's Mason Jar Hydration Kit. And this is what it looks like in the box. It has hydration on it. And let's see, it's got a functional drinking lid, a premium glass mason jar, and it even comes with an insulated neoprene sleeve. That is pretty cool. Make it more than a mason jar. I like that slogan. This is what it looks like. It's blue, which I like this color. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. And this is the sleeve. I want to know what the jar looks like. Ooh, that's cool. Mason jar. And it even has like the measurements on there and everything. Let's see how much this is. 2 cups. So this equals 2 cups. Really nice lid. Wow. So it's got like, you know, the plastic lid and, you know, your glass mason jar. Cool. So now what else do I have? Oh, I still have a lot of products. Sometimes I forget how much products I get in here, and I've already gone through like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. That was already 4 products, and I still have more in here, like way more. So the next one I have is this Daniel Stone perfume room spray. I want to know what this smells like. Oh wow, that smells really good. Yeah, really like that. Oh my gosh, I really love FabFitFun. I'm just saying. Next product I have is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. So this is for face and body. Champagne colored liquid highlighter. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cute. Comes in like a little dropper bottle. It definitely has a very champagne color to it. Oh yeah. It's very thick. It has a very thick consistency. 3 more. This is the Spongel Sweet Cedarwood Beyond Cleansing. Oh, this is a body wash infused buffer. I'm really starting to like these because I gotten one in my other box. I can't remember what box it was, but it was like a hand slip-in kind of exfoliator for your body, and I use it every time I'm in the shower. It's helped improve my skin a lot to make it smoother, and it's helped a lot with my hives that I've been breaking out from in the summertime. It's helped so much. And this one smells really good. Yeah, that definitely smells good. I think my husband would really like this because it's more of like a manlier scent. Yeah, it smells like sandalwood and amber. I wouldn't say cedarwood, but sandalwood and amber for sure, because I recently made a new soap for my work at the store, and it's sandalwood and amber, and it smells just like this. Yeah, I'm definitely going to give this to my husband. I think he'll really like this. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, okay, another product. This I thought was really, really interesting because I mean, I wear glasses, so I really wasn't sure how I would be able to use this. I only need glasses for looking far away, but I don't need them for close up. So these are these blue light, what do you call them? Everybody's been wearing these. It's like blue lens eliminating, like, you know, radiation from your phone, like that hurts your eyes and stuff. So this is the style that I got just because I used to have glasses like this and they look so cute on me. Yeah, I can still see through them. They're really comfortable to wear. They feel like, you know, it's really light. It's a really good material. These are not cheap whatsoever. I can't remember where they're from. Oh, it says it right here on the sleeve. It's from Nectar. So this is what it says on the sleeve. So yeah, I might do the rest of this video in these glasses because I'm looking at my phone and I'm recording from my phone. Last product, which is the one that I also chose. And this bag, I know for a fact, retails at about $100. This is a, what do you call it? Botkier, New York. I think that's what it's called. I totally bought that name. It retails for $100. So this is a really cute black backpack, and they had like different kinds of bags. I think they had this in like a different style or a different color, but I definitely chose this as fast as I could. This is so cute. It's really, really light, and for $100, yeah, I didn't even pay $100 for it. That's the thing. My box only cost like $30-something, $30 or $40-something. Well, below 50, I know that for sure. And this is $100. And just imagine how much everything else is in that box. Didn't even pay that amount. So you save a lot of money. with this box and this backpack, because I know in my last one I got that Michael Kors passport holder, which I also use as a wallet, and you know for a fact that's not cheap. Just saying, not cheap, but I love it. Makes me feel so bougie and bad. So yes, definitely love this little backpack. It's got like the thick straps. They are adjustable. So I hope you guys like this video. I definitely did. I don't know why, but it just makes me feel so happy and giddy. Especially since it's finally fall now. I'm feeling it. I'm just soaking it up and I'm feeling it. Pretty soon I'll be showing you guys the finishing touches in my vanity room. That's also another thing I'm excited for. And Spooky Sunday is another thing I'm super excited for. So I hope you guys are ready for that, because Spooky Sunday is going to be really good. And I've got a lot more stuff to unbox with you guys. I love it. I'm so excited for a lot of things. I don't even know why. Probably because I'm happy. So hopefully you guys are happy too. Sometimes we got to turn these negative things into positive things, because if it doesn't have anything to do with you, don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Don't sweat it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on Sunday for Spooky Sunday. Goodbye.